Hello ABC Quizzers, in today's quiz you'll have to answer some questions about animals. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you won't miss new uploads. Let's start. What animal is known as the king of the jungle? Lion. What is the largest species of shark? It's whale shark. Which of these animals is a marsupial? It's koala. What is the national bird of the United States? It's bald eagle. What is the world's smallest mammal? It's bumblebee bat. Which animal is known for its beautiful tail feathers? Peacock. How many legs does a spider typically have? Eight. What is the largest land animal? It's African elephant. Which of these birds cannot fly? Emu. What is the fastest land animal? It's cheetah. Which mammal can truly fly? Bat. What animal is known for carrying its young in the pouch? It's opossum. Which animal is the tallest in the world? It's giraffe. Which of these animals is a reptile? Komodo dragon. Which animal has the longest lifespan? Bowhead whale. What is the smallest dog breed? It's Chihuahua. What is the national bird of Canada? Grey jay. How many humps does a Bactrian camel have? Two. What is a baby kangaroo called? Joey. Which animal is known for its distinctive laugh? It's hyena. What is a group of lions called? Pride. Which of these animals does not lay eggs? Elephant seal. What animal is considered sacred in Hinduism? It's a cow. What is the largest species of cat? Siberian tiger. What animal is known for its ability to change color? Chameleon. Which of these snakes is venomous? Rattlesnake. What is the name of the group of fish? It's school. Which animal is the largest rodent in the world? It's capybara. What is a baby goat called? Kid. Which animal's stripes are on their skin as well as their fur? Tiger. Which animal is known to have the most powerful bite in the world? It's saltwater crocodile. How long does a sloth take to digest a meal? Two weeks. What animal is known by the nickname sea cow? Manatees. What animal is said to have 9 lives? Cat. Which of these fish is actually a fish? Swordfish. Which species has a 272-year-old individual, indicating the longest living vertebrate? It's a Greenland shark. The smallest animal with a backbone is? Frog. What animal has the largest brain? Sperm whale. Which of these spiders is venomous? Black widow. Which dog breed can understand more than 1,000 words? Border Collie. How many correct answers did you make? Let me know in the comments.